what's up guys? Hope you all are doing fantastic and welcome back to another video with me, Coach Ritika. And in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 things which I have been doing for the past few months and which has helped me grow not only personally but even professionally. I'm going to keep this video super short and to the point. So yeah, let's begin. Number 1 is meditation. Now, before starting meditation, I thought meditation is something which is very boring and how can you just sit and do om. No, you don't have to do all those, guys. Meditation is something different. It's sitting and doing nothing. That is what meditation is. There are different apps available for meditation. You can use those apps, but even if you don't want to use apps, all you have to do is wake up in the morning, close your eyes, just count your breaths. That's what I do for 10 minutes. Not even joking, I'm serious. I close my eyes, I count my breaths. 1, inhale, 2, exhale, till 10, and I keep repeating the same for 10 minutes. Why do I do that? Because I have realized that when we are awake, right, there are constantly thoughts revolving in our brain. Constantly. There's not even one moment when you are awake and your mind is idle. There's always going to be something or the other. And meditation is that time where my mind literally has no thoughts, even though the thoughts enter, I just let the thoughts pass away and I don't indulge in those thoughts basically. And meditation has helped me become more aware of the emotions I feel and more aware of the thoughts that enter my brain and the thoughts that leave my brain. It won't make much sense to you if I tell you these things now, but try meditating. It can actually help you become a more positive person. Okay. Number 2 is maintaining a gratitude journal. I have been waking up in the morning every day and writing 5 things I am grateful for every single morning. Why do I do that? Because we as human beings, we tend to, always worry about the things we don't have. Somebody wants a Mercedes, somebody wants that, somebody wants this, but they don't think about the things that they already have. And maintaining a gratitude journal has literally helped me, feel grateful about my life, about the life that I live. Okay, I'm literally grateful for everything right now. I'm grateful for my house, husband, family, my job, the materialistic things that I own. Everything, even coffee. I'm grateful for coffee because coffee wakes me up every morning. So yeah, try this out. I know it sounds silly writing 5 things that you are grateful for every morning, but it has literally helped me become a more positive person and not worry about the things that I don't have. What I have is enough. This is what I feel. Number 3 is planning the day. I used to be a messy person. I never used to plan my day. I used to think एक ही life है. Plan करके कौन जीता है यार? Let's live in the moment. Okay guys, you need to plan your day if you want your day to be productive. Okay, write the things that you want to achieve during that day. It can be anything, but write it out. Writing it out makes a huge difference. Okay, you're actually going to work towards making those things happen. You don't have to only write the important job related things that you have to do. You can also write the things that you want to do, like meeting a friend or playing a sport or playing with your pet, whatever, but make sure you write it out. Also be open to new experiences. Like if something is not going according to your plan, it's fine, just welcome those experiences, but at the same time you should know how you want to spend your day. And yeah, these are the 3 things which I have been doing every morning and this has helped me grow. But at the same time guys, if suppose your day starts at 8 a.m, you have your first work meeting or session or whatever at 8 a.m, don't wake up at 7:50 a.m and just 10 minutes left and you're going to brush your teeth and start your day. No, you'll have to have a little bit of time in advance so that you have the time to meditate, to write the 5 things I'm grateful for and to plan your day. So this is my funda. So if my session starts at 6 a.m, I wake up at like 5:15 a.m and I do these things. 45 minutes is enough for me to brush my teeth, to have my coffee, to meditate for 10 minutes, to write the 5 things I'm grateful for and to plan my day. So yeah, hope this helps you grow, helps you become a more positive person, helps you prioritize the things that you have and the things that you want in life. And if you like the content I'm putting out here, then just subscribe to my channel, support me. And yeah, that is it for today. See you in the next video.